So today we're going to do a bit of sailing, and I heard that you got a bit of sailing experience.
Small bit.
Yeah. So you're going to be the one that's going to give some advice to your fellow young explorers. And what experience have you got on sailing?
I helped teach sailing at a summer camp in the White Mountains of New Hampshire to little kids, mostly little girls, like 8 and 9-year-olds. And we sailed on small sunfishes, so 2-person sailing boats. And we had usually minimal wind during the summer, but we just kind of taught them the basics and went around the lake.
Okay, nice.
Actually, because I've never done it before, and it's a little complicated, but I guess, I'm gonna figure it out.
Well, I'm excited too, and I'm really looking forward to it because I went sailing once before, and I just thought I had forgotten everything, but now it's just starting to come back, so I hope it will be fun.
We want to go a little bit down.
I have never done this, and it's really great to learn about the winds, the different winds and the sails. Yeah.
There are a lot of new terms that we've heard about today, and I think it's lots of fun because we're doing it with the Micron itself. I think it'll be really nice in case we get to do this again, and sailing is lots of fun.
To have students that's never sailed before and giving them the boat and sailing, obviously they have to learn through the mistakes they make, and today is ideal conditions because there's not a lot of wind. They can make a couple of mistakes and we're not going to wreck the boat, but they have to go back a little bit and study a little bit more, ask a bit more questions, become more curious, because when we get on to Pangaea, our boat, and we sail in the monsoon in India and as well up to Bangladesh, the weather can get quite rough, and we cannot make the same mistakes there that we make here. Ready to tack?
Ready?
All say yes, ready.
Yes,
1, 2,
ready.
3. Ready to tack?
Yes, ready.
Okay, tack.